Welcome, weary souls, to Sleepy Stories. I'm here to guide you into the gentle embrace of rest. In this peaceful corner of the world, you'll find soothing tales that drift like whispers, calming routines to quiet your mind, and soft-spoken stories designed to carry you toward the sweetest dreams. Let your shoulders drop. Take a slow breath and allow yourself to sink into tranquility. If these moments of peace bring you comfort, I'd be grateful if you'd subscribe and join our dreamy community. Now, close your eyes if you'd like, and let's begin tonight's journey to sleep. Picture yourself lying beneath a vast canopy of stars on a perfectly still night. The darkness stretches endlessly above you, punctuated by countless points of light, each one a sun, perhaps warming worlds we'll never see. Yet as you listen to the cosmic symphony around you, something unsettling becomes clear. The universe is absolutely, profoundly silent. This silence isn't merely the absence of sound traveling through the vacuum of space. It's something far more chilling. The absence of voices, of signals, of any indication that intelligence like ours exists anywhere else in this incomprehensibly vast cosmos. We call this the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, who posed the haunting question: if the universe should be teeming with life, where is everybody? Consider the mathematics of possibility drifting through your mind like gentle waves. Our galaxy alone contains roughly 400 billion stars. Many of these stars host planets, and many of those planets exist in the habitable zone, that perfect distance where water can remain liquid, where life as we know it might flourish. The numbers are staggering, almost dreamlike in their enormity. If even a tiny fraction of these worlds developed life, if even a microscopic percentage of that life became intelligent, if just a handful of those civilizations learned to communicate across space, the galaxy should be buzzing with activity. Radio signals should cascade through space like rainfall. Evidence of vast engineering projects should dot the sky. The cosmos should hum with the chatter of countless minds. But instead, we find only silence. A silence so complete, so absolute, that it makes our small blue world feel like a lone lighthouse in an ocean of infinite darkness. Perhaps we're looking too early, and intelligence is yet to bloom across the stars. Perhaps we arrived too late, and civilizations have already risen and fallen like flowers in some cosmic spring that ended eons ago. Or perhaps, and this thought settles over us like a heavy blanket, we truly are alone, the only conscious observers in a universe that creates beauty with no one else to witness it. This possibility carries a weight that's both terrifying and oddly comforting. Terrifying because it suggests a loneliness beyond human comprehension, that consciousness might be so rare, so fragile, that it flickers into existence only once in a trillion chances. Yet comforting because it makes our existence impossibly precious, a miracle so unlikely that its very occurrence defies cosmic probability. As you drift towards sleep, imagine the universe as a vast, quiet library where only one book has ever learned to read itself. The silence isn't empty. It's expectant, waiting. And perhaps that's enough. To be the universe's way of knowing itself. Even if we're the only voice in the cosmic dark, whispering questions to the stars. But what if our cosmic solitude isn't guaranteed? What if somewhere in the vast machinery of evolution and time, there exists what scientists call the Great Filter, a nearly insurmountable barrier that stops almost all life from reaching the stars? Picture this filter as an invisible wall standing somewhere along the long path from a simple chemistry to spacefaring civilization. It could be the jump from non-life to life itself, that mysterious moment when molecules first learn to replicate and dream. Or perhaps it's the evolution of complex cells, a step so improbable that it happened only once in Earth's 4 billion year history, when one ancient cell swallowed another, and they decided to become partners instead of predator and prey. The filter might be consciousness itself, that strange emergence of awareness from mere matter. Think of it. Countless worlds might teem with life, but remain forever trapped in their own versions of Earth's Cambrian seas, never developing a species that can look up at the stars and wonder. Or maybe, and this thought carries a chill that settles deep in your bones, the Great Filter lies ahead of us. Perhaps the universe is littered with the remains of civilizations that reached our level of technology, only to discover that nuclear weapons, artificial intelligence, or climate change represent a test that almost no species passes. The silence we hear might not be because intelligence never evolves, but because it rarely survives its own